Supposedly this is the best hot chocolate in Miami, so let's give it a shot. Doesn't this look good, guys? Look at that cream, that richness. Ooh, looks so good. So I am at a French bakery, La Boulangerie Boulmich. I butchered the name, but the name is gonna be down in the info box. So I came because I wanted to have a hot chocolate. I don't know if you guys know, but here in Miami, the low today was 48 or 49, and the high was going to be like 76. And for us, that's a rarity because it's always in the 90s and then it feels like 100. And I decided to come to get some hot chocolate, and I also got myself a pistachio croissant. Supposedly this is the best hot chocolate in Miami, so let's give it a shot. So I really like it. Something that I do want to point out is that I was asked if I wanted the hot chocolate with almond milk, regular milk, or oat milk. There was another one, but I don't remember the name, and I said almond milk, and it tastes really good. Mr. Sandy Wendy is modeling for us. He's holding the menu, but I want for you guys to see all of the options that they have, and they have a lot of croissants to choose from. All good, thank you. So look at that. They have coffees. If you're a coffee drinker, look how good that looks. And then there's another side which has the salads, the sandwiches, main courses, soups, and I heard they're sold out of soups. I want to give an honest review. Hot chocolate, 100 out of 100. Croissant, 100 out of 100. Love the concept. I'm definitely going to keep coming back, and I hope that they have the hot chocolate in the cold version because it's delicious. We have made it in Dollar Tree, and we're gonna see if we find anything for Christmas that I can decorate. So something about me is that I just don't like to choose things because they look pretty, but instead I want stuff that I actually use. It's really cute. Really like this. Oh my God, they like, you can find this at Marshalls or something. I'm covering his face, but for like a lot more money. They have candles, and everything is $1. Oh no, no, Sandy, I told you to go to the one that's only $1. No, I think it has to be Dollar General. Have candy, have flowers, but I actually want to see ornaments. So I see some here, but I want them in red. Okay, so I see some here too, but I want like bold red ornaments. Ooh. So let's see what they have. You see, something like this, but big. So, like those, but in red. Sandy, if you see bold ornaments like those, okay, good. So I do want to get these bags for the holidays because they're cheaper here, and I just want to, like, I want to start having the gifts done ahead of time so that I can put them under the tree and then I can just have them ready. So they do have, come this way. So this one's really cute, and then back in the day, like now they sell one, but back in the day they had a pack where they would sell you a couple of them. So I'm usually gonna get one of these, and they're sold individually. So this is really pretty. I think I'm gonna get this one and this one too. How much are these? Let's look at the price. So they don't have the price, but they're very, very pretty. And I always go for the smaller ones. This one's really cute too. So I'm gonna get these. I know there's gonna be like more, but I'm just gonna get these for now. I had no luck. I got what you guys saw, and then I got something for a hot chocolate station that I'm planning to make. So now I came to TJ Maxx, HomeGoods, and I'm gonna see inside because I really want the red ornaments. I want a little bit of color this year on the Christmas tree. So hopefully I find it. So let's go inside and I'm gonna show you guys what there is to see for the holidays. I like everything I see, but I already have nutcrackers at the house. I already like everything I see. Let's see how much this is. So this $16.99. Oh, this is very pretty. I really like this. So something I've learned is that to keep a theme in your house, you have to go with a color palette and stick to that. You're gonna come across things that are very, very nice, but, oh, you got it? Okay. So you're gonna come across things that are really, really nice, but you have to be mindful that if you want for everything to look cohesive, you have to get like everything, within that color palette. And then here, they have an international section, which I really like. So they have this pasta, and this one is, oh, this is actually really nice. This is actually really nice, so I think I'm gonna get this to make it home. So, look how cute. Look how cute. I lost production. What is that, Sandy? Oh, that's so nice. The birth of Jesus. And that's one of the wise men, right? Yep. 1, 2, 3. There they are. Something that I think I do want to get is a centerpiece for the table because everything is going to be neutral. And I think a centerpiece like with flowers will really like tie everything together. And I just need obviously like festive red flowers, and they don't have those here. So let me keep looking. I see Christmas trees towards this side. How pretty this is. It's really pretty. It's about my height. We've made it to the ornaments, and this is everything they have. So I'm looking for something. This is glass, but I'm looking for something like around this size, but red. Red, 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 red. So, like you see, yeah, it can't be glass because there's an 100% chance it's gonna fall. So, you see it's not red all the way. So that you guys get an idea. I'm trying to create sections within the tree that have red because everything right now it's neutral. So for this year, I want to create something that pops. Like I want for it to be like a wonderland, nice theme. So for example, everything that I have is like this shade right here. It's like gold, but everything blends in. So I need something that's red. I always gravitate towards these colors, but I'm gonna have these colors and red. These are better. 16, not bad. So 1, 2, 3, it has 12. So that means I can create 4 sections. This brings 12. So I want to tie 3 of them together and like place them. So I think 4. And they are 17. Yeah, I think I'll take this one. We are at the Christmas Palace in Miami, and here they sell obviously all kinds of things. So they have a lot of things here. They even have they even have animations, or oh look, with the little gifts, how pretty. So it's a line. It smells really nice in here. I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, so it's a big red flag. I haven't shown you guys, but I actually got one at Marshall's, at HomeGoods, TJ Maxx for $12. So it's the same exact thing. $120 for that? I don't think so. Now this is beautiful, but there's just one thing, and that is that it's way too expensive. I haven't seen the price, but if the little ones are $110 and $20, then you can imagine $5,000 for that. $5,000, wow. So they do have beautiful gifts. And then let's see if they have the red ornaments. I have a bigger Santa Claus than that one. I just wonder how much it is here. But you see, these are the ornaments I need. They have the red ones. Like something like this size would work for me. So I don't know how much this is, but I expect for it to be expensive. This is very pretty. And look, they have another one here. Okay, so here they have some red ornaments. I just think they're too big. And they're $25. Let me see this one. I know this is not the theme I'm going for, but oh, I like those. Oh, I like that. How much is that one? 25. Here, 25. I think I'll take one of those. Thank you, Sandy. I want to thank you ahead of time. It wouldn't be a bad idea to take one of these, and then I can just mix and match with the red, but I love this, like the gold. I think it's very beautiful. I want to go all out for Christmas this year. So the ornaments that I have are actually like this cream color, but I want for them to pop out. So I think cream, gold, and red. I think those could, like, everything is gonna tie in with the theme that I have going on. So I think I'm gonna take one of those. Hello, gorgeous. We have made it to Olive Garden. So I'm gonna have some soup. I'm gonna have, well, not salad because it's not included, but I'm gonna have spaghetti with meatballs, which is my favorite. Ooh, thank you. Now, let's give the breadsticks a shot. Very good. So I hope that you guys watch it. These are spaghetti with meatballs. This looks really good